Larsen Press, an amazing exercise. It's essentially a bench press with almost less steps. You're taking the legs out of the equation, but instead of actually pushing or driving your legs now, you have to squeeze them as tight as possible and use your core to keep you still as you bench press, okay? Really, really important. Because you don't have your feet, make sure you actually lay down on this, in line. You'll be surprised. You'll get onto the bench, and once you take that plate out, you might be a little bit more offset on one side of the bench. You start turning with it, and that's not a fun place to go, okay? So make sure you're really lined up. When you get into position, okay, you still want to be on the top of your traps as best you can. Nice bridge of the chest. Now the legs are going to be straight. Knees and quads are going to be locked in, and toes are up to the sky, okay? Once you're in this position, you're just going to bench press. So if you know how to bench press, this part's going to be pretty easy, all right? But about 1.5 times shoulder width grip. You want to make sure there's enough space that you can straighten out your arms and pull out the weight. You're going to bring it down to about low sternum, back up to your shoulder, okay? So as you can see, the actual shoulder motion is the same as any other bench you've done on your own. The big difference is the stability required, okay? So you want to make sure everything's super engaged, especially from your hips and your legs, and that'll carry you up. If not, I'll kind of relax into it a little bit, and you bring it down. You're going to be way shakier. You'll kind of turn with one direction more than the other one. So make sure before you start, you're just super tight, locked in place, barely shaking, and that's going to be your key to success. Amazing variation, especially if you struggle to feel your brace and control on the press. Really, really good variation to do. Make sure it's just a lot lighter than your usual weight because you don't have that leg drive and the balance to support you. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.